Hello viewers, after part 2, we have brought 8 most mind-blowing facts about the geography, part 3. Let's enjoy. 20% of oxygen is produced by Amazon. Just how important is the Amazon rainforest in South America? Consider this. More than 20% of Earth's oxygen supply is produced by this forest. Continents move faster under stress. Continents move about 1 inch per year, but when the tectonic plates are under stress, scientists discovered they can move 20 times more quickly. As tectonic plates begin to split, they move apart as fast as your fingernails grow. The Dead Sea is sinking too. Already 1388 feet below sea level, the Dead Sea has the lowest on land elevation, and it's sinking. Researchers have found the salty sea's surface level is dropping more than 3 feet per year. One country has 840 languages. Do you think learning a second language is difficult? Try 840. That is the number of languages currently spoken in Papua New Guinea. The coldest temperature ever recorded was minus 128.6 degrees. In 1983, the Soviet Vostok station recorded a ground temperature of minus 128.6 degree Fahrenheit or minus 89.2 degrees Celsius in Antarctica. The hottest temperature was 134 degrees. In 1913, the World Meteorological Organization recorded a ground temperature of 134 degree Fahrenheit or 56.7 degrees Celsius in California's Death Valley. The largest sand island in the world is also in Australia. Created by sand blowing off the land for thousands of years, Fraser Island is the world's largest island made of sand. The island of the east coast of Australia measures 76.4 miles long and 13.6 miles wide. The island's length is the reason for the name of its beach, 75-mile beach. India is home to the world's highest cricket ground. Cricket is extremely popular in India. To ensure its students had a field dedicated to the sport, the Child Military School built the Child Cricket Ground, the world's highest. Established in 1893, Child Cricket Ground is 8,019 feet above the sea in Himachal Pradesh. Comment below how you are liking our content and let us know your interest area. We will make our next video on that topic. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the next videos. Stay with Fantasy Factory.